We all know the key to a thick beard, as shown in my thick beards video, is growing the underbeard and letting that neckline naturally grow down. This is going to give you the depth required to have a truly thick beard. Now, unfortunately, that can take months or years for some of you to achieve. So this video is all about a tip to make your thin or wispy beard appear to be thicker. Now, unfortunately, this is only going to help the medium to longer beards. It's not going to help the really short or even gray and white beards, and I'll explain why after the introduction. But I will break this down for a key thing that will help you make that beard look thicker, which is what a lot of you are searching for. If you have beard that is falling off your chin, it is something that is below your chin, this video will help you. Unless you are genetically gifted and have a beautiful thick beard, this probably isn't going to do much for you, but hey, maybe you can share it with a buddy who may listen, who it may help. Give them some confidence and keep a beard. My name, guys, is DanCBearded, for anybody that doesn't know me. On this channel, I break down everything that is related to beards, from the health, the science, the fun, the positivity behind it, and everything. So if that sounds interesting to you, I would greatly appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. If you enjoyed this video at some point, maybe now, hit the thumbs up, and thank you, guys. The key to making a thin or wispy beard look thicker is avoiding thicker oils and avoiding any product other than oil in the morning. When you wake up, apply a thin to medium consistency or viscosity oil. Style your beard. Do not put in butter, do not put in balm, do not put in wax, and avoid thicker oils. What happens when you are using thicker oils with a thin or wispy beard? And again, this is a beard that is off the chin. Short beards, all those things work great to control the flyaways. I'm talking about beards that have medium to long length, and this is going to be that key thing. What happens when you are putting thicker oils or butters or balms or waxes is it's going to glue those hairs together. A lot of times it's going to glue the back hairs to the front, and that is minimizing the depth of your beard. The key to a thick beard is having depth. It's having substance to it that makes the difference. The stickier the product, the less depth you are going to have. Style in the morning with oil only, and then at night get the heavy nourishment from a butter or leave-in conditioner. This will absolutely change a thin or wispy beard's appearance for the better. It may take a few days to get it trained to really figure this out, but I recently recommended this to a good buddy of mine named Nick. He reached out and said, I'm trying to experiment with some different things to make my wispy beard look thicker. And I said, try this out. And he's been raving about it ever since. Really give it a try. Let that sink in for a minute. I'm going to hit you with some more info in 2 seconds. When you have a short beard or a beard that is just on your face, when you put thicker oils or butters, balms, things that are going to bring those hairs together, it's going to keep everything down and tight to the face, which looks amazing for those types of beards. The second your hair gets off of your chin or off of your face, when you are clumping everything together, there's no backboard. There's nothing for it to mold to, so it just simply molds the hairs together and makes your beard assume and look like it's really thin when that may not be the case. You're not doing justice for your beard. Remember this phrase. You've heard it on the channel before. If you've watched, you're going to hear it again in the future because it's important. Heat plus tension equals direction. You need to get some heat on that thin or wispy beard to get its full potential. So start out with a blow dryer and get a comb and start working down. But a key thing to getting that depth and really making your beard look thicker is get that heat coming from underneath and combing out. When you do that, it's really going to lengthen everything, and it's going to address those hairs that are underneath that sometimes get shriveled up and pushed down to your throat and down to your neck. And you come underneath with that heat plus tension, it's going to give you a great direction that's going to give you that thickness to the beard. This is really, really important, guys, to get that maximum thickness to your beard. And I know it goes against everything that you've heard, right? Use thicker oils, use butters. It's going to make your beard look thicker. And that all sounds great. until you actually apply it, until it actually has experience. And I've heard from so many guys that I've given this tip to that it's been a game changer. I do not have a thin or wispy beard. I do not have the thickest beard I've ever seen. I will say that, but I do know that I have a thick beard. So I'm not talking from personal experience here, even though the idea still translates to me in a different way. But I have recommended this over the years to countless guys that have been looking to achieve that thickness, and they all have come back raving and never switched again as they were developing their beard into the goal that they wanted. So I'm gonna come back one more time with a conclusion and some final thoughts, and I wanna hear what you guys have experienced and have to say in the comment section. Oil and style in the morning, heavy nourishment at night. Let that beard come to life. Let it breathe a little bit. Let those supporting actors get their own role and have some freedom. Make that wispy or thin beard appear to be a little bit thicker. And it's not even really just an appearance thing. It's letting it reach its full potential here. Now that you've let that information process, let me know your initial thoughts. If you've never tried anything like this before and you do have a medium, long, thin, wispier beard, give it a try. Let me know after 2 days. Let me know after a week. Let me know after a month. Bookmark this video and give me your honest experience and feedback. I really encourage that and welcome that, guys. Let's blow this comment section up and get some narrative going in both ways here so we can get the best experience for all guys to be as confident as possible with rocking what they got. So as always, guys, one more time, my name is DanCBearded, and I will always stay bearded and encourage everyone to stay positive.